Looking for the best hair perm kits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 hair perm kits the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Ogilvie Salon Styles, precisely right for color-treated, thin, or delicate hair. Pros: traditional home perm by a trusted name that's formulated for color-treated hair. Consumers who have used it for years say it produces soft, bouncy curls and body without frizz. Cons: has a bit of a perm odor, but it doesn't seem to linger long on the hair. Bottom line: a popular perm kit among repeat users for good reasons. Almost anyone can use it and enjoy similar results with lasting curls. At number 2. Ogilvie Salon Styles, the original home perm for normal hair with extra body. Pros: this top-selling perm is made by a trusted brand and produces long-lasting results. Great for adding body and creating waves or curls. Includes 2 conditioners to use before and after perming. Great price. Cons: can be somewhat harsh on delicate, damaged, or color-treated hair. Bottom line: the original perm by Ogilvie, that's a good choice for customers with healthy hair who want lasting curls and waves. The included conditioners are welcome bonuses. At number 1. Zotos Design Freedom Regular Perm. Pros: an alkali perm that's not extremely harsh on the hair yet produces long-lasting body, waves, and curls. Results are natural looking. Works well for most hair types and textures. Perm is popular among professional stylists. Cons: a few reports of frizzy ends after use. May produce minimal curl if your hair is very thick or extremely difficult to perm. Bottom line: whether you want beachy waves or defined curls, this Zoto perm will give most users salon quality results without leaving home. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.